Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add noise in Picsart. If you want to give your images a retro or textured look, and here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Picsart application and tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new project. Choose a photo you wish to edit from your device's camera roll or from your recent project. Once you open up the image in the canvas, tap on the Effects button at the bottom. Inside Effects, go ahead and look for the Film option and tap on it. Scroll through the Film menu and look for the Film Grain option and tap on it. Now, click on the Adjustment Tool option under Film Grain and you will then be able to see these Noise, Blur and Fade options. Simply go ahead and increase the intensity of noise by moving the white dot towards the right. After you are done, tap on Apply at the top right corner and you will then be able to see that you have added noise or grainy effect to your image. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.